I'm Veronica from the agency Aztecs here in Spain, so it's a pleasure being today with so many excellence educators and just to go back to the in-person meetings again.
Hi, I'm Matthew McClarty, International Student Recruitment Manager at the Duke's Education Group, and I'm delighted to be here at the Aseproce in Madrid, meeting all of our agents, both old and new. It's been a fantastic event, and it's just so nice to be in a room with people again, and everybody in the same atmosphere.
And the owner of No Fluff, and I'm really happy to be here at Aseproce's workshop after so much trouble that we've been through. It's been a joy to see everybody back in action and optimistic for the future. So what I've been doing today is representing Study Travel magazine and the Alfie workshops to all of our amazing agent partners and educators.
Just would like to take this opportunity to thank Aseproce for organizing this workshop, and it's really nice to be back to normal, to catch up with some friends back now from ISO Berlin, and it was great, but I have to admit that the Aseproce workshop is a bit better because it's smaller, you get more opportunities to be in a closer situation, in a closer relationship with the schools, and it's really nice to be back with all this.
My name is Maite, I'm the Director of Tech Idiomas, and I'm really happy to be back into one-to-one meetings here at the Aseproce Workshop. It's been a real pleasure to meet and see all our colleagues, partners, and all the educators coming from abroad. Thank you.
Aseproce Workshop is face-to-face again, and it's wonderful. It's very nice to see people again, schools, providers, and actually, I mean, there are there's a bunch of them that are pretty interesting. So I'm very happy, and I hope this continues and we forget about all this nightmare we've been through.
I look forward to welcoming you to Galway and to Galway Cultural Institute and Galway Business School. You can do language programs and undergraduate business programs, lots of choice. So if you need information, please contact one of the wonderful Aseproce agents who will give you all the information you need and support your decision to come to us.